This is the good installs for room air conditioner. I want to show about the Copper Pie installation service. You can see that we have a trunking and the Copper Pie are inside of the trunkings. So the point that we connect to the outdoor units, we have to make a hole, and the hole we have to fill it with silicone and other to avoid the insects, the mouse can go inside to destroy our Copper Pie. Anyway, this installation it is very good, it is acceptable. We have 10 units here. Anyway, this installation is not yet 100% complete. So the worker they will fix the hole of the Copper Pie more. And the support you also can use, you also can make this kind of support for your air conditioner. It is strong enough to support the outdoor units. Okay, I hope this video is a good tip for you. Thank you.
Cho mà lột ra chưa?